In this video, we'll take a look at the replacement of a maxillary first molar with dentium slimline fixed type implants, which are available online from the MiniimplantStore.com. Hello, my name is Dr. Joseph Chameleon from Sydney, Australia, and I'd like to welcome you to this short clinical presentation and invite you to one of my seminars if this type of treatment is of interest to you. The maxillary first molar, as you can see, was unsalvageable due to periapical lesions and deep subgingival caries. Upon extraction, the bone structure was insufficient for placement of immediate implants, so accordingly, in such situations, I wait 6 months before considering the placement of any form of implants. The ossification on the distal is ideal, but on the mesial, a little bit deficient, so ideally, I wait another few months before placing these implants. The buccal deficiency you can see here is actually of no significance because the ridge itself is quite wide and able to support two dentium implants, whether they be 2.5mm or preferably 3mm in diameter. And as you can see here, they are placed within the alveolus with the porcelain crown seated on top. A beautiful result, and in fact even 2 years later the image shows excellent bone formation, crestal bone formation that supports this bridge, this crown beautifully. Now, this type of treatment is important because so many of our patients will suffer vertical root fractures or failure of roots which have been dried out as a consequence of root canal treatments and the placement of porcelain crowns. It's a simple treatment which takes 1 hour to place your implants, take your impressions, and do a little bit of a temporary coverage, and 2 weeks later, you can place your permanent crown in a 30-minute appointment with a fee that can range between $2,800 and $3,600. That gives you an hourly rate of around $2,000, as I say, from patients who are thrilled with the treatment you perform for them. For details of the next seminar I shall be conducting, please visit MiniimplantSeminars.com.